Hey everyone, this is Thomas. I'm coming to you from Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. And again, I have another gorgeous 1979 Pontiac Trans Am redone in Starlight Black, like the Bandit, smoking the Bandit car, automatic, T-top, nice tan interior. Check this out. Beautiful car. Beautiful car out of Georgia. Clean title, rust-free. Man, oh man, is she a gem. Gorgeous paint job. 71,000 original miles. Everything works. Well, 99.9% everything works, which we'll go over. Check out those exhaust tips. Correct for the year for the Bandit setup. Snowflake wheels. Correct wheels for the car. Eagle GTs for the radial TA Goodyear tires. Really slick paint all around the car. Look at this. Like I said, T-tops, everyone wants them. Beautiful finish. And I'll get closer to the paint as I do my second walk around. All the pinstriping is nice on the car. Oh, man. Car also has a CB in it, and it does work. All the vents in the bottom look great, no cracks in it. The spoiler on the bottom and all the Trans Am stuff all around the car is in fabulous condition. So we'll move in a little closer to the paint. Look at this reflection. It's a mirror finish. All down the side of the car. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that something? Woo! Yeah, that's me. All right. Oh man, there's no cracks in the paint. And I'll show you everything about the car. If there are any blemishes, I will point them over. But just looking at this a little closer, here's where you put fuel. All right. Unleaded fuel. And to open up the trunk is right in there. Okay, this car was blue at one time, as you can see there. All right, but it was painted really nice in the Bandit Starlight Black color. All the gaps look really good. Look at this reflection. Look at that paint mirror finish, guys. Front power disc brakes. 6.6. Yeah, she is a sweetheart, and it drives as good as it looks. Man, is that nice. These things are becoming popular and more popular every single year. And here we are, November 2020. Come next summer, these are going to skyrocket another 10%. How do I know? Well, Smoking the Bandit show's coming out 2021. If you guys didn't know, now you do. Even besides that, you got dual sport mirrors. Like I said, all the pinstriping is nice on the car. Original VIN tag on the car. Power antenna, which we will make sure that works or doesn't. I'll let you guys know in a little bit. I will demonstrate that. 6x6, well, 6x9 factory speakers in the package tray. Let's grab the keys here and we'll pop the trunk. All right. Weather stripping is all nice on the car. It's all been replaced when they did the restoration. The paint work on the car. Original spare. Very clean, basic back here, just like it was back in '79. No surprises. Even the light works. Yep. Mirror freaking finish. Guys, looking really close at this paint all around the car, I can't really point anything out to you guys because there isn't really anything to point out on my paint on this car. Really, I am not joking. Okay, as you can see for yourself, it's really nice all around the car. Okay, my video don't lie. I don't lie. I tell you how it is. If there was a scratch, I'd point it out. I tell you about it. I took off the T-tops. There's the driver's side, and over there is the passenger side. They're in mint condition, okay? I just love to show this car without the T-tops. All the weather stripping all throughout here is nice, okay? Door jambs, really crisp. Original interior with the 71,000 miles. Beautiful rockers, outer door jambs, inner door jambs, driver's seat, passenger seat, back seat with the seat belts. Nice steering wheel, tilt wheel, okay? As you can see, 71,563 miles. Beautiful dash on the car. Original, not replaced, not a cover. Okay, excellent center console. There's your CB 10.4, okay? Stock review mirror, sun visors. You know what? It's time to fire this up. I want you guys to hear it. All right. Clock. It's freaking working. Left turn signal works, right turn signal works, oil temp, pressure, water temp functions, volts works, fuel gauge operates. Right here is for the headlights. Right here is for the wipers. As you can see, they work. Right here, horn functions. Radio does turn on. It's an AM, FM radio. Nothing to brag about. But when you put the CB thing on, testing, 1, 2, 1, 2, 10-4. Okay, it does work. So, honestly, I would have this rebuilt. Okay, power antenna, look. Yep, goes up and boom, goes down. Okay. In here, trunk opener, when you press that, the trunk does open. Oh, there's the cigarette thing. All right, just put that in there. All right, let's listen to it. Sounds pretty good for a stock Trans Am. All right, let me get these T-tops back on before I forget them here. 1 second. All right, T-tops are back on. It's a one-man deal, or lady. All right, here's your tilt right there. Does function. Power windows. Okay, there's your passenger side window, and then there's the driver's side. Everything functions. Headliner's nice and tight in the car. It does have a blemish here in the headliner. These are replaceable, and then the dome light is replaceable. You can get that on eBay. All right, and one other thing that doesn't function on the car is the RPM tach. Okay, just wanted to point that out. All right, people, here we are. We're gonna let this police officer go in front of us. Yep. Okay. So, I don't need another ticket. I already got one doing a test drive. If you guys didn't see that, that was pretty funny. Whatever. All right. So it's a factory original numbers matching drivetrain, 403, automatic transmission, power steering, front power disc brakes, air conditioning, heat defrost, tilt wheel, CB radio with T-tops. We're on the expressway and we are cruising. This thing shifts really nice. And there's not much wind noise coming through the T-tops. They're fairly quiet because the weather stripping is in fairly good condition on them too. So, I mean, the suspension feels really nice. It does have the radial tune suspension, which is the RTS. It stands for radial tune suspension. Pontiacs were very known for that. Car doesn't pull left, doesn't pull right. Really nice driving. I mean, if you wanted to fly into Chicago O'Hare Airport and drive this back to California or down to Florida, up to New York, and up to Washington, you can. It's that reliable, okay? It's that reliable. You can even tell what time it is because the clock functions. So T-tops do rattle a little bit. From time to time, you'll have to replace the bushings. Those are, honestly, they're little round plastic pieces that you would put around the rod that bolts in the T-tops. And that little rattle noise from time to time will go away. But fairly original car, guys. All the interior, all the numbers matching drivetrain, shift knob, steering wheel, panels, seat center console. The only thing that's not original to the car is the alternator. It's been replaced. And then also the car's been painted once from a blue, I believe nocturne blue, to a starlight black color, which is a replica of the Smokey and the Bandit. Okay, so I mean, you guys see how much the special edition real Smokey and the Bandit's cars go for. I got a few of them. They're very expensive, but you can own this for a great price. Go to any car show. Be very proud to have the car. All eyes are going to be on you, and it's going to get you from point A to point B every single time. It's very reliable, and everything functions except the RPM tech. So I'll tell you how it is. I travel the country to find these cars, and I pass up on a lot of them because they fail my inspection. This one passed, and that's why now I can share it with you and tell you everything about the car. Okay? So if you need financing, your credit score's got to be at least 650 to 700, and that will require a 10% down. If your score's over 700 into the 800s, no money down options available. Approval's in about 15 minutes. You guys want to call me and text me first to make sure this car is available before you run your credits. I'll let you guys know that. So call me, text me first. My number is 847-848-1850. Okay. And if you need delivery, call me, text me again, email me your zip code. I'll get you a quote. We ship anywhere in the world. I said world. Been doing this for 29 years. I got the truckers that can do it anywhere in the country as well. All right, so we're going to head back to the warehouse now where I keep all my vehicles. If you guys want to see others, go to mgmclassiccars.com, and you're able to see a lot of photos, long videos, and all the details about the car. You're buying with confidence. Okay, I have great reviews. I'm 100% seller on eBay. I don't hide anything. I'm telling you everything about the car in my videos. So, that said, you're able to buy with confidence. And, you know, when you're buying from other dealers, guys, please be aware that they have good feedback, okay? It's very important. If you're buying from a private guy, really you have no recourse, okay? We stand behind our products. We're licensed with the state, so we're gonna tell you everything about the car. We want repeated business, and that's what I do. So again, this is Thomas at mgmclassiccars.com. I can be reached at 847-848-1850. I'm going to give you a quick recap on this car. All right. Once again, 1979 Pontiac Trans Am, T-top automatic, 403, numbers matching. One beautiful Starlight black paint job. Exhaust sounds really nice on the car. And this thing's got that Bandit, Smokey and the Bandit look. And yes, it does got the CB in the car. All right, so give me a call. Text me 847-848-1850. Check out mgmclassiccars.com. Thanks for watching.